Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Brian from Red Deer Picker. How are you? So, got some exciting news for me anyways. It's exciting. I don't know if it's exciting for anybody else, but I bought this thing today. Check it out. New little addition to my eBay business here. Little 12 by 24 shed. I was going to do the 20 by 24, but I decided to just put this. There's a couple spots back here. I don't know if you guys can see where that is. It's a big space back there, but I would have to fill that in with concrete. I'm not ready to do that yet. And construction is starting on my garage right here in about 6 days. So I don't have time to do all that. So I'm just going to put the shed right here for now. So hopefully he should just be able to pull right in the driveway here. I should have left them a note to put the door driver's side out. He could have just backed right in and stuck it if I was thinking early enough, but it was sort of last minute that they called me last night that they could bring it, so pulled everything out of the driveway. Got the cars sitting in the street, which I don't ever really like parking in the street because some people come, they run that stop sign right there and they come barreling past. Amazing to me how they can just roll these things off and push them around with those little mules. It's a little bigger than I thought it was. 12 by 24. For some reason I was thinking it was a little smaller. Maybe it just looks bigger because it's up on that trailer, but a couple more minutes we'll get it off and then got to pull it right in there. I bought this thing sight unseen just because I needed to get one pretty quick. It's got the nice little vents up there. Doors and windows are only in the front because I'm having it up against the fence, but yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna block this up first. All right.
Check it out. I got a shed. This is probably the biggest investment I've made into my my eBay business. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was. It's a 12 by 24, and it's kind of been a long process. I had one ordered through Tuff Sheds. It was a 20 by 24, and we were going to put it, let's see if I can get this right, over here. So I was going to fill all this in back behind me and we were going to actually build a bigger one. And the challenge is that I need to get everything out of here in my garage because we are turning this into an ADU at our house. So long story short, I didn't have enough time to build this pad back here for the bigger one, so we got this one, but it's a decent size, 12 by 24. I'll stop talking about it. We'll cut to a montage here so you guys can see what it looks like. So that's it, just a quick little tour of the new shed. I'm excited about it. I'm really excited about getting this ADU done. We have been wanting to do this for a long time in the garage here. All right, so I'm going to end this video, but I just wanted to show you guys the exciting development here at Red Dirt Pickers. And we're going to try and get this thing organized and filled up as soon as possible so we can get construction started. But I'll do another updated video of how I'm organizing some of my new shelving ideas, and then I have a new photography setup that I'll show you guys. It's a really cool flat lay at a slight angle that folds away really easy. So I'll show that in one of the next videos coming up. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.